You got ugly headlights. Ugly like that. Well, stay tuned. I'll show you a trick to get it new again. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. You get a bottle of water with soap, and you need a drill. If you don't have a drill, that's okay, you can do it by hand. So we're gonna do a 500, and then we're gonna jump to 800. And then after that, after we sand it, this is what we're gonna do. This is made for wheel, but you're gonna be amazed how those headlights gonna come out with this. So let's start the sanding. So just get this wet, and then get your drill and start sanding. Get all the yellow stuff out. So you do this with a 500, the whole light, and then you do with 800. And then you rinse everything down, dry it out, and then we paint it. Just spray this on the light, and then just wipe it off. And now we're ready to paint. This is the paint we're gonna use. It's made for wheels. Gloss clear. So then we shake it. Here we go. We'll come to the next one. We're gonna let it dry. We're gonna do another coat. So 2 coats is gonna be good. You don't want to put too much. Do the second coat. That's it for that one. We'll do the same thing here. Come into this. All right, now we just let it dry. And we see it tomorrow when it dry, how it looks. Give me 1 second, baby. Next day, and as you can see, you can touch it. Now, if you really want this to be in another level, you wet sand it with 1500, a little bit, just, not too much. Don't go crazy with water. And then you buff it. Look at that. That's a big difference compared to how they were. Oh yeah, my wife's gonna be happy. Beautiful. Well, now you know. Next time you have that problem. Oops, that was not the plan. Get yourself one of these. Wait, this is not the one I used, but it's the same one. So this one right here. Get yourself one of these. Wheel Gloss Clear Coat. This is the best stuff for headlights. I'll do update later down the road, and I'll do update to see how it's staying there. like new. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps someone get their life back to new with cheap. Don't have to spend a lot of money on it. Why?